Clean Research is a company that is developing the technology to grow, in our case, seafood, lean fish fillet directly from cells. So rather than using the animals in the production process of creating meat, we're going to go directly from cells, which is going to be more sustainable ultimately, healthier ultimately, and better for everyone on the planet. The demand for meat is growing very quickly. As humanity is being raised out of poverty, the first thing people do is want to consume meat. And so the demand for meat is skyrocketing, and yet it's using tremendous resources on the planet. It's incredibly inefficient, both the farming and the capture process. It requires the collaboration of skills and expertise from many different industries. So pulling people together it's an integration challenge.
After hearing about the scope of what they were trying to do, and after having met the team, I was in. I jumped at the chance to do my part and bring my lab's expertise to bear on these big problems, big issues. Every day you hear about the Earth is declining at rates that are alarming, and we have to do something. My research is focused on disease of muscle and neurons, and the other half of the lab studies neuromuscular diseases by developing models in a dish. It's called disease in a dish. We take stem cells from patients and differentiate them to whatever tissue is defective in the patient. Cell-based meat production and fish fillet production is kind of at the heart of the same technology will still be applied. We'll have to figure out how to proliferate these cells in huge numbers, much larger than what we do for disease modeling. That's an interesting challenge. Anything we learn from how to grow the stem cells better, higher proliferative capacity, and how to differentiate them to muscle, there's so much we don't know. Any effort like this is going to teach us something really important.